You already know what time it is. It's food time, and that's what you are here for. We're going to be checking out wavemountdora. Going to pop into a Philly cheesesteak spot, a little bit of ceviche, and of course we're going to finish up with some brews and some cocktails made with coffee. First on the menu today, we're starting off strong with some Philly cheesesteaks. 20 years strong. Daniels, they've been serving cheesesteaks in Winter Garden for 20 years. So they're pretty experienced, they're pretty good at what they do. With some great fried goodies and a topping list for a build-your-own cheesesteak, Daniels has just about everything you'd really want on your cheesesteak. This build-your-own concept really sits well with me. Pulled up here, decided to keep it pretty simple. I just got mine standard Philly cheesesteak, but I got a small, fit for a king, with just some bell peppers and onions on it, a little bit of cheese and some mayo. Keep it simple, but keep it fresh, really delicious. These things are pretty inexpensive, really popular in the area, great little spot to go in, especially and grab lunch. Now, what really catches you off guard are their sauces, especially for their wings. Their wing sauce is like this spicy ranch. It was amazing. I absolutely adored it. It was just fantastic. And when you're getting it alongside the fries, onion rings, and things that aren't just wings, it makes this perfect little dipping sauce for all your fried goodies, which all make some fantastic sides for your Philly cheesesteak.
These are really good wings.
Now when you get to that Philly, you gotta look at that pull with that cheese all melted. Just pulling apart all those toppings. I had to slow that down just a little bit because that looks so beautiful, and it was just piping hot. I love it. Next up, we took off out to Mount Dora, which is about an hour away from the Orlando area. And this little town is super cool. Little entertainment district. You can walk around with your drinks. There's definitely a bunch of places to eat there. We just hit a couple though. No time in getting over to WAVE Asian Bistro and Sushi. This place is very popular in Mount Dora. They've been featured in all sorts of publications online with BuzzFeed, Thrillist, all for the kind of sushi they do. Now, not only do they have a pretty interesting sake collection along with some other hot foods, what they're really well known for is the type of sushi and Asian cuisine that they do, which is all very creative.
Nice. How do you like it?
So good. It's literally amazing.
That's a crab mozzarella stick, right?
Crab rangoon mozzarella stick.
Crab rangoon mozzarella stick. Call that the best of both worlds. Oh!
We have the sushi tots here from wavemountdora. It's tuna, avocado, and rice that they've tempura fried to make into tater tots. It's a really good crunch, like a tater tot. Actually, it kind of tastes like a tater tot, which is weird because it's rice. But all in all, I'm impressed. Just like their sushi nachos and any other thing, the sushi bomb, all their appetizers are fantastic. I love it.
Hibachi remains my favorite. I can tell you right now that this is the creative sushi lover's paradise. They are rocking things like hot Cheeto crusted soft shell crab tacos. They've got the regular tacos, sushi donuts. They've got sushi bombs, deep fried. They've got sushi pizza. Anything you're really thinking of, they're doing. And if they haven't thought of it, I'm sure they'll create it in the kitchen for you. This place is definitely bucket list worthy. From there we walked over to the Mount Dora marketplace, which is really cool. It's small, but it's like a little combine market, you know, a couple bakeries, a few places to eat, and seeing as I was stuffed like a Thanksgiving turkey, I just kind of made my way back onto Wolfbranch Brewing for my Hoppy Life edition, right? I love that sign. But we checked these guys out and tried out a few of their beers. Alright guys, what's up? So I'm in here, popping into Wolfbranch Brewing over in Mount Dora. I picked up 3 beers to try. First beer we got is the 3 Daughters, each one.
Yeah, man. That's an old bartender.
Nice crispy blonde. We got their, what's this called? The Wolfbranch, the watermelon fruited sour. Watermelon sour. Good.
You look familiar.
Tastes really good. Then the one we're really excited about is the beach one, which is peanut butter and banana. It's like an Elvis Presley and a brown ale.
It's upside down. Who's the other one for?
Wow. Yeah, that's really good. We were pretty happy to run into our Ceviche Mix friends. They're pretty popular over on Plant Street Market, one of the better ceviche spots in town. We got to watch them mix up a little bowl of ceviche, and well, we got a little sampler as well. If you're unfamiliar with ceviche, ceviche is a South American dish where they cook a variety of seafood in the acidity of lemon and salt. And they serve it up fresh like a salad, I guess? Yeah, I think it's fair to say it's a salad. But they are rocking all the fresh ingredients, and for seafood lovers, this is a pretty hot dish. How's that ceviche, sir? Yo, hitting serendipity. Artisan coffee and craft beer. And I got exactly what I bargained for. Not only is this place this really cool artsy little cafe serving up a nice little bit of food with a really cool ambiance, some open mics, live music, and all these other things, but this place has like 100 beers. I mean, really, like they have this extensive variety of craft beer that's just sitting there on the shelves. I was blown away by how much variety they actually had. And to top that off, these guys do cocktails, but their cocktails are non-alcoholic. All their cocktails are done with coffee. Shout out to Rooster at the brewery. Sent us over here to Serendipity. So I had to pick this up. This is an old-fashioned coffee. That's wild, man. Yeah, so old-fashioned coffee. I don't even know how to explain that. It's got all the flavors, a bunch of the flavor notes of an old-fashioned, but there's no booze in it. And it's coffee. So it's using a cold nitro brew, which is pretty good. I like it. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you're seeing, hit that like button. Smash it, as some would say. And so give me a little subscribe. Give that subscribe there, and I will see you on the next one.